Like, she will want you to come and do her shoes. She want you to come and do her dress. Like, I don't like that. Why would she ask me to come and do her shoe? Or, like,
what do you mean,
she
do
wanted
her
to
shoe?
control me, to come and help her with the, her shoes.
I mean, I don't know what you mean.
I didn't like it.
People said, and
I did not like it.
And I don't need you to...
I did not want her to be my friend.
Okay. You're not even my type of friend, darling.
That's your... Oh, serious? I want to understand that you want to follow husband and snatch husband.
Listen to me, because I don't tell the world my story or what people should know about me, doesn't mean you can sit here talking about, is that all you can say, husband snatcher?
Different personalities.
Listen, at least I've been with one man for how many years? How many men have you been with?
I did not show this the version of me.
I haven't got
and I'm going to say, if you don't leave me, I'm going to see.
Can you imagine? Is this what you came here to do? Embarrassing.
The other version of me. Calm down, calm down. Touch me. Leave me alone.
Touch me.
No, just leave me alone.
I don't understand.
I'm chilled. Don't stress my dress.
Who the hell are you? You came with strategy? You came with strategy?
No strategy.
No, because I don't even talk to you. We never even had anything in the house. You don't like me, you don't like me. Go and deal with it.
She can't say that I have...
Nah, like this is...
Like, you said I have different complex and expect to...
I can say anything I like. I can say something you.
You are senseless.
What is this about?
As I preach, I said you're nothing.
Piss off.
You're nothing.
Piss off. I'm better than you. That's what you want to hear.
Like that now, chill.
Naija said, there was no marriage. Like the marriage was not, like they were separated, pretty much. Apart from anything, we had a good friendship. So it was just like, okay, game, let me confuse people again. And like I said, until she came out not too long ago and said our marriage ended since 2020. I knew something people didn't know. Because people would have said, but why didn't you like redeem yourself? Why didn't you say something? To me, I was dealing with a single woman.
Boma just said you were separated already. When did this happen?
I was separated in 2020. We had a conversation, of course.
That's you and your husband?
Yes, my ex.
Oh, your ex-husband, sorry.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we had a conversation. Of course, there's mutual respect. That is because he's the father of my kid, so there's this understanding. Okay, you know what? You know me, I'm crazy, right? This show, even my dad that's passed cannot stop me from going for it. It's already time.
Yeah.
So, I'm crazy, anything can go on, but please, stay out of it.
Why did you not say you were separated?
Before I got into the show, we had a conversation, right?
Yeah.
And if he had stuck to the conversation, I believe all of this wouldn't have happened.
Yeah. So your head, you said you thought saying I'm married, but I can't find this person, was just
because
going to be interesting.
Going on in the show, I would have still come out. Because like I said, I was playing a mind game. Going on at the show, I would have still come out like, okay, you know what, guys? Maybe in one of our games, I would just say it. But it is what it is.